Yo, have you heard about that new ChatGPT technology? No, I haven't heard about it. Well, if you haven't, you're doing yourself a disservice. It's helping people make so much more money in their businesses using this service. It's a game changer, my friends. And what I've done is I put together an awesome free training to help you understand how to use this new AI and how it works, the ChatGPT, and how it's been helping me personally with my dropshipping business and some of my other ventures, affiliate marketing, and I want to help you make money with ChatGPT. So I put together this awesome ultimate guide training where I give away 2 free guides. One of them is 64 ways to make money with ChatGPT. The other one is all the different prompts to use ChatGPT. And my name is Scott. I've been around since 2015 doing dropshipping, making multi-millions in different stores, different products, different niches, makeup, beauty, and I've gotten really good at it. And I wish I had this when I was around back then, but this is a